Oh, hello there. I don't know where we're going. I kind of know where we're going, but I kind of don't. It's been a long time. It's best to leave it to the professionals. We kind of threw this ride together with an open-ended plan on where we wanted to go. So I came up with two options, but I was not exactly married to either of them. I gotta remember I got two brand new tires on also. So we'll take it easy around this stupid traffic circle. So yeah, Mike suggested another option that we take, so that works for us. I think we're heading towards Cambridge Narrows. It's definitely been a minute since I've been out that way. We tend to do the same things over and over again when we head towards Nova Scotia, so why not mix it up a little bit? Front tire inspection. These fine folks are not going to stop for us.
Definitely hopping.
Yeah. Call me crazy, but I thought I could see it.
Yeah, you can see it.
Jesus.
Fastest Honda Civic he's ever going to pull up against. Went over in front of you, buddy.
Oh, that's all right.
You have to wait till he turns around like that.
I was busy yapping. Fuel stop featuring the Mullalis. Jake just goes over there. He's like, I don't need gas.
I don't want gas.
You're just saying Jake goes and parks over there. He's like, I'll buy gas next month. He's got a tank probably as big as your truck. It's funny, I often run into people I know at Young's Cove fuel stops. So I guess now onward to Wickham and Cambridge Narrows. Mike and Jake decided to book it a little bit back there. I gave chase for a little bit, but now I'm noticing that at over 200 kilometers an hour, I'm starting to feel like a buzz through the bars. The only real thing that's changed is the tires I put on. So is that strike one for Pirelli this time around? I'll have to wait and see. It wasn't horrible. Usually when I put a good set of tires on, like Bridgestone or Michelin or whatever, when the new set goes on, the bike feels electric because there's just no vibrations. Most normal riding speeds, they seem to feel pretty well, but, well, I say that, but as soon as we started hitting some turns, I found that the bike felt odd, just a little weird, but I'll chalk that up to the fact that they're a different brand, different make and model of tire than I'm used to using. We'll reserve most of our judgment for now. We're just barely 100 kilometers in with them, so a little early to make a call. Strange pavement, if you can call it that. dirty ass roads on tires that I don't fully trust yet. Only been through here a couple times in my life, but I know every time I come I think it's a really nice place. Busy, busy, busy spot though, with all kinds of campers. Unknown tires of an unknown road. Calls for a little extra caution. I must say though, as far as New Brunswick roads go, this is pretty good. Fun road and it's ongoing, so I wouldn't doubt that my battery is going to die. Just had a really nice view of the water. See a few jet skis running by. It's just a hell of an area. This is where we are. That's the funniest part about riding around here. That's the funniest part about riding back here. I don't know where I am, and then all of a sudden I know where I am.
It's different when you come in from a different approach, right?
Yeah, and oftentimes we're doing it this way.
Right.
Land ho. Avast ye scallywags. It's warm when you're sitting there, but it's not so warm that once you get rolling it feels pretty good. Get the airflow. I miss being able to do stuff like this with Tracy, but I think the day will come again when we're able to. Either if she rides her own, or if eventually I invest in a bike that we can ride two up again. Just got to give it some time and wait till she's ready to give it a shot, I guess. Maybe once our little girl is a bit older, so we have an opportunity to get out more. I think the next thing on my to-do list, I'm gonna have to peel this GoPro mount off my helmet. It's been on there for a few years, and it seems like riding in some of the hot weather we had really did a number on it. It's starting to lose some of its adhesion. I'd hate for my GoPro to take a tumble down the road because I don't run a tether on it. This is also the first time I've ran a GoPro mount with like extra pieces of adhesive tape. The curved mount didn't really fit the helmet all that well, so I had to add in a couple of extra little strips to fill the gap. I'm sure that's not helping the situation. Not that we're running along super fast here or anything, but you know, we're doing anywhere from 100 to 115 through this back road, and it's pretty damn rough. There's actually a car back there, and it's kind of hanging with us. Not every day you see that. So usually if these roads are this rough for us, you know, they're way rougher for cars. We're much narrower. We can usually avoid a lot of the bumps. Much harder to do with a car. Oh boy, we just made it. I'll pull up just in time.
I was watching when we were up there, I'm like, fuck, we might actually catch that ferry. You guys want to run up to the Kingston store, or do you want to run and cross Twistpan? There's a really twisty road. What the fuck's it called? Anyway, it's a really twisty road.
Okay. Well, it don't matter to me.
I mean, either way, it's nice on the Kingston Peninsula running up to the Kingston General Store, or on the other side, we got that short road. Actually, you and I did that in the spring, Michelle. We were coming down, and Luke was like, fuck, he tested the brakes on the 1200 because it was too twisty.
Yeah.
I was thinking about running that.
Okay.
I'm easy going. Funny, I don't know my way around down here too well. Most of my riding in this area has been days like this, really, where I'm just following the lead of someone else. But it's always pretty fun. It's roads that are worthwhile knowing. Heading back to this ferry now.
few minutes later.
You can't really get them all at once, and they're fucking, so you're like, I got no fucking choice here, guys. Like, you either pull apart so we can squeeze in between them.
Well, a nice portion of that ride is lost to the old GoPro as usual. We would not expect to get out for a full day of riding and not have that thing screw up at least once. Once I get home and look at the video, God knows, maybe it screwed up like 10 times. That wouldn't surprise me either. A lot of dirt around here. I'd say all the heavy rain is washing it right out of people's driveways. Anyway, had to pass Jake back there and wave him over, make him pull over. His top case started to come loose, was just about ready to hit the pavement. A couple of quick adjustments and we're back on the way here. But anyway, we're just going to be making our way home from here on out, so we'll call this the end. The maiden voyage with the Pirellis has gone pretty well so far. So if you're still watching at this point, hit subscribe and click links and all that nonsense. Woo, dirty. We'll try to keep it upright in all this gravel. You can come back and check out the next one. Shit. I guess the top case was not fixed, because she went cartwheeling. There was no warning that time.
I don't know what.
Oh fuck, did your ties open?
They slipped.
They fucking slipped open.
Yeah, like I don't know what's.
Hang on, I think I got some in my bike too.